Christmas is just around the corner, and whether you're dreaming of a snowy wonderland or a tropical getaway, planning the perfect vacation can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be? Stay with me, because I'm about to share the ultimate tips to make your holiday trip stress-free and unforgettable. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's all about family, celebration, and creating memories that last a lifetime. And what better way to do that than with a perfectly planned vacation? First up, planning ahead is your best friend when it comes to holiday travel. Flights and accommodations book up fast during the holiday season, so the earlier you start, the better your options and your prices. That being said, staying flexible with your dates can help you snag better deals. Consider flying a few days before or after peak dates like December 24th or January 1st. A little flexibility could save you hundreds of dollars. Next, let's talk about destinations. Do you want a classic Christmas experience with snow, lights, and cozy cabins? Places like Switzerland or Aspen are perfect for that. Or are you looking for something offbeat, like a beach holiday in the Maldives or a cultural getaway in Japan? Once you know your vibe, narrow down options based on your budget and travel time. And don't forget to check for special holiday events or festivals in your chosen destination. It's these little extras that make your trip magical. Now, let's tackle the money side of things. Christmas vacations can be pricey, but there are smart ways to save. Use flight comparison tools like Skyscanner or Google Flights to find the cheapest routes. And don't sleep on package deals. They can often bundle flights, hotels, and activities for a lower overall cost. Another tip: consider renting a vacation home instead of a hotel. It's often cheaper, especially for families or groups. And remember, loyalty programs and travel rewards can be a game changer if you've been collecting points. Now that your destination is locked in and your travel plans are set, let's talk packing. It's tempting to bring everything, but trust me, less is more. Start with a checklist. Include versatile clothing you can layer, especially if you're heading somewhere cold. For winter destinations, pack thermals, a good coat, and waterproof boots. And if you're jetting off to a sunny paradise, don't forget your sunscreen and swimwear. Pro tip: pack a small carry-on with essentials like snacks, a change of clothes, and holiday gifts in case your luggage is delayed. Here's a big one: book your experiences early. Iconic attractions and activities. Think ice skating in Central Park, Christmas markets in Germany, or even holiday-themed amusement parks sell out fast during the festive season. Research and reserve these in advance to avoid disappointment. And hey, if you're traveling with kids, booking a surprise holiday activity, like meeting Santa or a festive workshop, can be the highlight of the trip. Let's face it, holiday travel can be chaotic. Crowded airports, long lines, and unexpected delays are part of the package. But here's how you can manage it like a pro. Plan to arrive early, both for your flight and for any major bookings. Keep your itinerary handy and use apps like TripIt or Google Maps to stay organized. And for ultimate peace of mind, get travel insurance. Trust me, it's worth it when things don't go as planned. What's a Christmas vacation without indulging in some amazing food? Research local cuisines and must-try dishes at your destination. Many places have special Christmas menus or seasonal treats. Don't miss out. If you're renting a vacation home, consider making a holiday meal with local ingredients. It's a fun and cozy way to feel festive, no matter where you are. And for those with dietary restrictions, pack a few snacks from home, just in case you can't find suitable options while traveling. Finally, don't forget to document your adventure. Capture photos and videos, but also take a moment to soak in the experience without a screen. Create a Christmas scrapbook or a photo album when you're back home. It's a meaningful way to relive the memories. And for the tech-savvy, there are tons of apps that let you make quick travel reels or vlogs to share with friends and family during your trip. So, now you're armed with tips to plan an incredible Christmas vacation. But what about some specific ideas for destinations or travel deals? Now let's dive into some amazing destinations perfect for a Christmas getaway. If you're looking for that postcard-perfect holiday, head to Europe. Imagine wandering through the twinkling Christmas markets of Vienna or sipping hot cocoa while gazing at the northern lights in Finland. For a luxurious escape, try the Maldives or Bora Bora. White sandy beaches and Christmas under the sun. On a budget? Consider domestic destinations or underrated spots like Eastern Europe. Cities like Krakow or Tallinn offer incredible holiday vibes without breaking the bank. The key is to choose a place that matches your dream holiday vibe, whether that's snowflakes or sandcastles. Let's talk about scoring deals, because who doesn't love saving money? Start by setting airfare price alerts on apps like Hopper or Skyscanner to get notified about price drops. Flash sales are your friend. Keep an eye on Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, which often include vacation packages. And if you're booking accommodations, try comparing platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, and even direct hotel websites. Sometimes, a quick phone call to the property can get you a better rate. Don't be afraid to negotiate, especially if you're booking last minute. Traveling with family, especially kids? Make it a trip to remember with some thoughtful planning. Choose destinations with activities everyone can enjoy, like theme parks, sledding, or even holiday parades. Pack a travel entertainment kit for kids with coloring books, tablets, or small toys to keep them engaged during long journeys. And don't forget snacks. Trust me, a hungry kid can turn into a Grinch faster than you can say Merry Christmas. Bonus tip: involve your family in the planning process. It's a fun way to build excitement and ensure everyone feels included. Let's switch gears and talk about making your Christmas trip eco-friendly. Traveling during the holidays doesn't have to mean leaving a big footprint. Opt for direct flights when possible to reduce emissions, and pack reusable items like water bottles and shopping bags. Support local businesses by shopping at Christmas markets or dining at family-owned restaurants. And if you're traveling to a winter destination, look for accommodations that prioritize sustainability, like eco-lodges or green-certified hotels. It's a great way to give back to the planet while enjoying your holiday. Finally, let's talk about adding that extra magic to your vacation. Little gestures can make a big impact. Bring a few small Christmas decorations, like fairy lights or ornaments, to make your hotel room or rental feel festive. Plan a surprise for your travel companions, like a hidden gift or a special activity. And don't forget to carve out time for the traditions that make the holidays special for you. Whether it's watching a Christmas movie, baking cookies, or reading "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" before bed. Wherever you are, it's those moments of connection that make Christmas unforgettable. So now that we've covered where to go and how to plan, let's get into the nitty-gritty of organizing your itinerary. Alright, let's get into building your daily plan, because a well-thought-out itinerary can make or break your trip. Start with the must-see attractions. These should go at the top of your list, but remember to pace yourself. You don't want to cram too much into one day and end up stressed. For example, if you're in Paris, prioritize things like visiting the Eiffel Tower or exploring the Christmas lights at Champs-Élysées. Block out time for spontaneous moments, because sometimes the best memories are unplanned. A flexible plan is the key to balancing adventure and downtime. Technology can be a lifesaver while traveling, especially during the holidays. Apps like Google Maps or Rome to Rio help you navigate unfamiliar places with ease, while apps like Eat With or The Fork can guide you to the best dining spots. For itinerary organization, tools like TripIt or Wanderlog are perfect for keeping everything, from flight tickets to dinner reservations, organized in one place. And if you're driving, download Waze to avoid holiday traffic jams. The right apps will not only save you time, but also help you uncover hidden gems at your destination. No matter how much you plan, travel can throw you a curveball, like flight delays, unpredictable weather, or overbooked attractions. The key is to stay calm and have a backup plan. Keep an emergency kit with essentials like phone chargers, travel-sized toiletries, and a change of clothes in your carry-on. Also, have digital copies of your important documents, like passports and tickets, saved in your email or a secure app. And here's a pro tip: always have a list of alternative activities on hand. If your main plans fall through, you can still have an amazing day. One of the best parts of traveling during Christmas is experiencing how other cultures celebrate the holiday. Take the time to learn about local traditions, whether it's attending midnight mass in Italy joining a festive feast in the Philippines, or celebrating Hogmanay in Scotland. Engaging with the local community, trying new customs, and stepping out of your comfort zone will make your trip truly unique. And don't forget to pick up a small souvenir to remember the experience. Something meaningful that reflects the culture you've explored. With your itinerary set and tips in hand, you're now ready to make this Christmas vacation your best one yet. Congratulations! You've just wrapped up your Christmas vacation. Now, before you jump back into everyday life, take some time to reflect on the memories you've created. Look through your photos, journal about your favorite moments, or share highlights with friends and family. Reflecting on the trip not only helps you relive the joy, but also keeps that holiday magic alive just a little longer. Next, let's talk about preserving those memories. Create a photo album, either digital or printed, and organize your pictures into a story. If you love video, edit together a short holiday vlog. It doesn't have to be professional, just something fun to watch and share. Sharing your experiences on social media can also inspire others to plan their own Christmas vacations. Bonus tip: if you picked up any special recipes or traditions during your trip, try recreating them at home to bring a piece of your journey back with you. Coming back from vacation can be a little overwhelming. There's unpacking, catching up on work, and adjusting to normal life. Start by unpacking and tidying up within the first day or two. This will help you ease back into your routine. And if you brought back any souvenirs or gifts, take a moment to enjoy them or share them with loved ones. It's also a great time to reflect on what worked and what didn't during your trip, so you're even more prepared for your next adventure. Now that you've mastered the art of planning a Christmas vacation, why not start thinking about your next trip? Use what you've learned to plan even better next time. Maybe it's a New Year's getaway, a spring break escape, or even next year's holiday trip. By keeping the excitement alive, you'll always have something to look forward to. Plus, planning early often means snagging the best deals. Thank you so much for joining me on this Christmas vacation planning journey. I hope these tips help you create unforgettable holiday memories. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might be planning their trip. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. And now, it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me your dream Christmas destination or your best holiday travel hack. I can't wait to hear from you. Happy holidays and safe travels!